Hope you are having a very good day. Today I would like to explain you about the flow chart in the information transfer. If you remember, in the previous classes we have discussed about the other non-verbal forms and as well as the paragraphs. From table, bar graph, tree diagram to now we are switching to flow chart. Now again we'll do the same thing, like we'll read first the description, the paragraph, the verbal form, then we'll move on to the non-verbal. Okay, so now here this is the text. What is the text about? It is about the how a sender can how a post office transfers the letters from a sender to the receiver. That is the whole process being given, and we have to create a flow chart after reading this paragraph. The following is the process of how a post office transfers a letter from sender to receiver. The sender posts a letter in post box. Okay, the sender posts a letter in the post box. Next, the box is opened, contents sorted out. So whatever the letters and everything was there would be sorted out and collected in bags. Destination is written on the bags and sent to the district post office. Destination is written, destination means where it has to reach, where the letters have to reach, because so many people are there, those who write down for different destinations. So destination is written on the bags and sent to the district post office. The district post office sent the bags to the destination. Now from the district post office, again the bags were being checked out, sorted out, and they sent it to the destination of the either the village, town, city, where they have to send. That destination they again send to those places. The received letters are sorted and arranged. The received letters by a particular village or a town or only one of the smallest area, they just sorted out. First they sort out that to which area they have to deliver this letter, and then they arrange it, and the postman will be called and they will be given the duty to deliver the letters related to their places, related to their where they have to go and where they have to deliver according to their jobs, according to their postings. They have to go for the places. Here is that the letter, how it is actually only what we do, we write down a letter and put it into the post box. Many I think Aadhaar card nowadays it is coming from by post, and sometimes some of the important like insurance from the taxes from the tax departments, whatever income tax would be there, intimation for the income taxes, and then loan, passing of loan, many things from the bank statements, many things can still it is coming up in the form of the letters from by the help of the postman only. So we only put it into the by writing the letter, by writing the address, we simply put it into the post box. But there are this is behind the scene, there is a lengthy process. What the people do, what they do, the sender only did one thing. What is that? The sender posts a letter in the post box. That is a simple thing the person has done. Now next the box is opened. They opened the box, contents taken out, letters and everything, whatever. Sometimes those who are not staying here, they send Rakhi to their brothers. So many things are there, money orders are there. So it is not only the letters, many things, telegrams, too many things. So contents sorted out, like they checked it out, how many letters are there, money, telegrams and money orders, many things are there. So they just sorted out and collected in all the bags. Okay, then destination is written on the bags. To a certain place it belongs. Like to like Delhi, Kolkata, different cities it can belong, or maybe it is going to the international level as well, and sent to the district post office, to nearby district post office. They sent, after writing it on the bags, they sent it to the district post office. Then the district post office sent the bags to the destination village, town. Then they sort out, again they sort out, they send it to the related village or town, to whichever, wherever place that particular letters belong to. The received letters are sorted and arranged. Once again, the received letters are sorted, separated out and then arranged, and then it will be given to the postman. So, they can deliver it to the addresses written on the particular letters. Okay. Now, this, if you read it once, you find it complicated. Twice, thrice, if you read, it is written in your study material as well as in your reader textbook. So, check it out that side, and then you have to make a flow chart. But in the flow chart, as you have seen in tree diagram and everywhere, that we avoid the sentences, we take the only clue words or the cue words, the most important words, we take it into that, and then we make a non-verbal data. In non-verbal data, we are not supposed to write down the, we are not supposed to frame the sentences. Okay, the cue words, the main important things to be taken. Now, this is the flow chart. Drops in post box. Who drops? Sender drop. What drop? Letter. This is understood. Okay. Letters collected in bags. We are skipping other things because there is no need for that. From the post box, the next thing, the next step, what they do is that they collected in the bag. Bags sent to the district post office. Bags would be definitely sent to the district post offices. Then next step is, from here district post office, bags sent to the destination village or town. District post office, what they do, they definitely send to the related village or the town or the post office, wherever it is being written on the bags, whatever the destination being written, they sent it that side. Then there, what they do, letters being sorted out, as we have read here, sorted and arranged. So, again the letters being sorted out, and it will be given to the postman for delivery. Okay. So, these are the, like nowadays, if you are not getting that imagination of the post box and post office and all, simply imagine it out, the delivery from Amazon and Flipkart. Many are there, but I am taking the most important. So, these sources, how they deliver, they did the same thing. You simply place an order on from your mobile, and you will get that. You have to track the, when it is going to reach, the track the delivery time and how it is out for shipping and all, whatever it is there being given. You have to check it out. You can check it out by simply sitting at home, or maybe wherever you are, you can simply switch on your mobile and then you can check it out. But what they do, they definitely not only your address, first they have to check it out your country, city, then your locality. So, all would be at one place, at the main center of Amazon. They deliver all those things. Then from there it being sorted out, and it will be given to the persons, to those who are delivering at our homes. Okay. So, this is the way which is being followed, not only for the letters but for the everything what we receive at home. So, behind every task there are certain people who are doing all the hard work. So, this is the, actually these are the steps which we follow for sending a letter from sender to the receiver. Okay. So, this is being shown in a form of a flow chart, and this obviously you know very well, this is the text, how to write down the para. If this being given and you have been said to write down the paragraph, this, the first sentence could be must. The following is the process. The above flow chart shows this particular thing. Whatever it being given, the first sentence could be like this. And then if suppose this para would be given and they I have instructed you to draw a flow chart. What you have to do? You have to once again, as I said, with the pencil immediately sort out important points, then frame a flow chart. Flow means going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not like tree diagram. Tree diagram have branches. This does not have the branches. This have only the flowing down. It can be sometimes, these are the 6 steps I have shown, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be 8, it can be 9, up to the matter. But you have to select the most important things, most important steps, then you have to collect it into the flow chart and then frame the flow chart. Okay, so I hope you have understood well, and practice it at home and write down this one also in your grammar notes, because unless and until you write down in the grammar notes, you will never remember it out. Okay, so in the next class we'll meet with the another explanation of the non-verbal data. By the time, take care, have a nice day.